Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2021 Volvo XC60 T5 Momentum. This is in denim blue metallic with a charcoal leather interior. This is all-wheel drive. It has a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine giving you 250 horsepower. Check out those full LED Thor's Hammer active bending headlights. Super distinct. This has my favorite wheels. This is a nice upgrade for this is 20-inch wheels. They look so cool. This has load bars as well, which will be installed upon delivery. Keyless entry, blind spot information system. With the purchase of a new Volvo, you get 4 years subscription to the Volvo On Call app, which you'll be able to remote start your car from. Hands-free power liftgate. Those are the load bars there in that box. This does have the protection package, so you get the second set of rubber mats, and those fit like a glove. Got the giant panoramic sunroof. This has the climate package, so you get heated front seats and heated back seats and a beautiful heated leather wrapped steering wheel. And so keyless entry means that if I have the key in my pocket, I'll just be able to reach down. There we go. Wait a beat and the car will open. This has the upgraded Harman Kardon stereo system. You can adjust your seats there. The linear lime deco inlays.
Music, WINC HD.
Auto dimming frameless mirror. You have the compass in there. Quick buttons for your auto defrost front and back here. Your hazard lights, forward and backward for your radio control. This is your climate control here. Your heated seats, heated steering wheel. You can synchronize the temperature in the front if you'd like. All the way to the left, you'll find a lot of the safety features. Your auto stop start is there. If you'd like to turn that off, you can just move it down all the way out of your way. Your camera is here, and it is such a clear camera, and it's so big. It's just amazing. In the middle, this is your kind of home screen. If you drop down, you'll find your settings, and there's just a ton of different information in here that you can play with. Just change things up a little bit. Like this is your display, factory setting to glass. This is minimalistic, performance, or chrome rings. And that also changes there's similarities in the center screen with the display screen. And all the way to the right, this is all set for SIRIUSXM. You get cup holders here, change your drive mode. This is a scroll bar where you'll be able to adjust the drive modes. Eco, definitely you feel a little bit power difference with the eco setting. Comfort is everyday use. Dynamic for a little sportier feel. It tightens the suspension, makes the shifting go a little bit faster. Rough road, off-road for a little bit of snow or a gravel driveway. Nothing too crazy. Your parking brake here. This is the Autobrake hold, good for stopping at stoplights in heavy traffic. This is you can plug 2 phones in, one on the right for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. There's so much to these cars. We'd love to see you down on Route 1 in Scarborough. This is stock number 21189. PortlandVolvo.com has all the information you need. And thanks for watching from Portland Volvo. Happy Friday!